Hi guys, how are y'all doing? Today I have another haul for you. I have some amazing finds. Some of them I showed you on my Instagram stories and so many of you were interested and wanted to see what else I bought. I have an amazing find and I think many of you will love it and will be interested to see. I bought my first, is it my first? I think that's my second purchase from Vestiaire Collective, and I found an amazing Chanel item which it's not even pre-loved, it's like brand new because it's with tags. I also found an amazing Chanel dupe and you guys loved it. I showed you that one on my Instagram, which is, by the way, this one here. If you're not following me, come say hi because you're missing out. I show you my new purchases there, my daily outfits. Whenever I find an amazing item, I post on my stories so you guys don't miss out as well. So come check out my Instagram and say hello. I would love to see you there. So let's get started. I have some amazing pieces to show you and some new jewelry as well, so keep watching. Okay, so let's start with some new pieces that I'm wearing. I'm wearing some new jewelry. As you can guys see, this blingy necklace. How beautiful is this necklace? These chunky necklaces are so trendy right now and they look great with blazers as well. Casual outfit blazer puts a statement necklace and it makes your outfit 10 times better. So I want to show you this one because I've been loving this necklace. I also have some new rings from ITALO. I'll show you close-ups so you can see the beautiful pieces and how I like to wear them. These pieces are made of 100% sterling silver and sapphires and they sparkle so much. Honestly, the quality is so good. They don't tarnish. I literally wear them every day and they still look very bright and shiny. They also ship for free worldwide. They have 1-year warranty and 60 days return policy. Their price range is also really great. They have some very affordable jewelry, so if you're looking for a great piece, definitely check out ITALO. So let me quickly show you what comes inside the box. So they come in these beautiful boxes and inside you can find certificates. So you get a certificate for your jewelry that it's sterling silver, the stones, you get the return policy. So this is the 925 sterling silver certificate. You also get a care guide and inside the jewelry comes in these beautiful blue boxes. So let me show you some of the pieces that I chose. So I chose this trio of rings. You can wear them together. They look great stacked, but you can also wear them separately. So right now I'm wearing 2 of the rings stacked together and this is the third one. I also bought a little gift for my best friend Laura. So I'll show you what I bought her. I think she will love it. She loves sparkly rings. So I bought her this huge, super sparkly eternity band in rose gold with clear crystals. How stunning is this ring? I'll still show you how it looks, but I'm sure it won't fit me because I have bigger, chubbier fingers than her. I also picked this beautiful M necklace with my initial, and can you guys see it has this beautiful crystal which looks identical to my Cartier. You can find a link to their webpage down below, and guys, they have these videos on their website which is very helpful when choosing jewelry. You can see how it looks on. So guys, if you want to check out ITALO jewelry, I also have discount codes for you which I'll leave here and you can also find down below in the description box. If you're interested and want to pick up some super sparkly jewelry, this will make an amazing gift as well because of the beautiful box. So yeah, definitely check out ITALO. Alright, let's continue with Chanel, shall we? So I did mention that I found this particular Chanel item on Vestiaire Collective and I couldn't believe the price. I literally bought it half price, if not less than half. I can't remember exactly how much this retailed for before because it's an old item from a very old collection. And let me just show you and then I'll continue talking about it, but this is it. Who remembers the Coco Libre, the Coco Cuba collection? Do you guys remember that one? It was such a beautiful, fun collection and these t-shirts were so hot. Everyone wanted this t-shirt. It was very difficult to get hold of. There was no way I could get my hands on one because it was sold out. All big bloggers wore this t-shirt and I loved seeing how they styled it. I loved the colors. The t-shirt looked so beautiful and colorful, perfect for summer. So this is an item that I've been wanting for a while, and I got this one in a size medium. I went on Vestiaire Collective and I searched for Chanel t-shirts, and I saw these, and some of them were pre-loved and used in perfect condition, but then I found this one, and this, guys, is a brand new t-shirt. It has tags. Let me show you the tags. So it has tags, and I did send it to Vestiaire Collective to authenticate just in case. And this is the other tag from Vestiaire Collective to confirm the authenticity and that it's authentic. I do know it's authentic. I can tell. I've been buying Chanel for so long that I can tell what's real and what's not. But I'm glad that I actually managed to find one that's brand new with tags. And I bought it for, I think I bought it for £450. So that is great for Chanel. It is honestly such a bargain. So this t-shirt, you might remember, came in different colors, different colorways. There was one, actually the one that I really wanted was the one that had a minty or like sky blue collar. That one is my top choice, but I couldn't find it, and I don't mind this one. I love the pink sleeves with the red and blue. I think the colorway is really great, but I think there are 4 or 5 different options, so you can find one with white sleeves, with blue sleeves, and a different color on the collar. But this one actually works perfectly for me. I think the colors are so cute. I love all the beautiful pastels. It's very lightweight and it's very true to size, so I got it in a size medium and it fits perfectly. I wasn't sure if I should go a size up because I have never tried this t-shirt before. I've never even seen it in person, so I wasn't sure what size to go for, but I'm glad that I went for my normal size medium because it fits perfect. So guys, if you missed out on the Coco Cubo collection, or if you're looking for a new designer t-shirt for summer, definitely check out Vestiaire. You can find some amazing t-shirts, literally half price, even less than retail, and most of them are in great condition. There were quite a few more of this one from the Coco Cubo collection in different colorways, different sizes. Some of them are in great condition, so I'll link some of my favorite ones. They might even have new listings. They might have added some brand new ones, so definitely check. You can even create alerts like notifications if you're interested. But yeah, I wanted to show that one. It didn't come with the hanger. This is my own hanger, but it came wrapped in a Chanel tissue paper with the original Chanel bag. That's a box in the background, but it did come in original Chanel bag. So yeah, I wanted to show you that one. It is so beautiful. I was looking for a new designer t-shirt for summer in a lighter color, and this one is perfection. Okay guys, this next item I'm dying to show you. Some of you may know, I think I've mentioned it in previous videos, maybe on my Instagram stories. I'm sure I've mentioned it before, but I have been looking for a dupe for this Chanel bralette for the longest time. Literally since it came out last year, I've been on the hunt because I refuse to spend £2,000 for a Chanel bralette. Guess what? I found one. Finally, and I showed you this one on my Instagram stories. I hope it's still available because I know many of you loved it and were interested to buy the same one. So hopefully it's not sold out already, but guys, hurry up and buy one because this is the best dupe I found. At one point, I was desperate because I couldn't find anything, and I even contacted my one of my friends who's designer, and I asked him if he can make me a top like the Chanel one. But I did find one eventually, and this is the best dupe because I did find some other ones, but this is the best one, and the price is not bad as well for a designer high-end piece. So this is from Red Valentino. Guys, isn't that even better than the original? Like, look at this big bow. How stunning is this top? So this, as I mentioned, is from Red Valentino. This is the cheaper Valentino label. So they have the high-end Valentino and a cheaper Red Valentino brand. This is, oh my god, how much did I pay for it? I think it was about 450 pounds. On some websites it went on sale. If it's still available, I'll link it down below, but it was half price. To me, it looks better than the Chanel top. Let me know what you guys think. I think the bow, the shape of the bow is so voluminous and so big and beautiful. You can also put the same Chanel camellia here in the middle. You can pin a Chanel brooch and it will look so amazing. So as you can see, the waist is elasticated. It has these beautiful frills. So I'll show you some close-up clips so you can see better. But it has beautiful frilly detail on the bottom, a zipper at the back, and it is a very beautiful fabric, very lightweight for summer. Also, you can guys see this one has sleeves, but I actually think I'm gonna remove the sleeves because they're elasticated, they have elastic, so even if you detach them from the top, you can still wear them. But if you don't want to wear the sleeves, you can have options that way. So I think I'll definitely remove the sleeves. And whenever I want to wear it as a top, I'll add the sleeves and they'll still stay on, they won't fall down because of the elastic. But if I want to wear a blazer, or I'm planning to wear this top with my beautiful Chanel cardigan, I will wear it without the sleeves. So yeah, this is the top. I couldn't wait to show you this one. I'm so excited for this purchase. After months and months of looking and searching for one, I finally found the perfect top. And I think many of you will love this, so I wanted to show you it if you're guys interested. Yeah, oh my god, I love it so much. Okay, let's move on. Okay, so I have two more pieces. This one I also showed you on my Instagram, and I really hope it's not sold out because it was on sale. It was, I think, 50% off. It is this beautiful Sandra top. It is a linen and silk mix. It doesn't look like anything like this. Even if I put it on a hanger, you can't really tell what it looks like, so it's best if I try it and insert some clips. But this top, oh my god, it is so beautiful. Honestly, the pattern is so beautiful. It has these beautiful flowers. The colors are perfect, very summery. It has beautiful elephants and some gorgeous birds. I love the green detail with the leaves as well, and it's so lightweight. It is such a lightweight top. The fabric is very airy, perfect for summer. It is a cropped top. It ties in the front. It looks so nice on. It looks very cute. I love to wear this with a pair of high-waisted jeans or a high-waisted silky skirt. This top will look so fab. So I think this was a great find. You guys know that Sandra is a premium brand and it is much more affordable than high-end and high street. But at the same time, the quality of their pieces is really great. The fabrics that they use are beautiful, and you can tell that the quality of their pieces is very good compared to high street. Also, their designs are very unique. They have beautiful pieces. Most of them are on sale right now, so you can find some great deals. I have actually added some more items from Sandra in my basket and I'm ready to check out. Okay, last I want to show you a pair of jeans. These might look familiar. This is another pair of Citizens of Humanity jeans. I showed you a pair of jeans that I picked up, I think about a month and a half ago, in a different haul video. So I'll insert a clip so you can see my other pair of Citizens of Humanity jeans. I did tell you that this won't be my last pair of jeans from them because the quality is great. I love how they fit. They are so flattering on. I really love the blue pair of jeans. However, I did want to add a darker wash, so I have two of them. These are more like autumn wintry pair. I will definitely wear the blue ones more now in the spring and summer, but I definitely wanted to add another pair. These were on sale. These I found on sale and I had to grab them because they were, I think, 30 or 40% off. You guys know that I love grey, so I definitely had to add a grey pair of jeans. in my wardrobe as well. I love them. The fit is great. I love the slits. I've spoken about these before, so I won't talk too much about them. If you want, you can check out my previous haul video where I showed you the other pair of jeans. I'll try these on and show you how they fit as well. I'll show you both pairs, the blue ones and these. So I think I bought the blue pair on sale as well, so big score because they're quite pricey, but the quality is great. Let me know which one you prefer. Do you like the grey ones or the blue ones? Alright guys, that's all. I really hope you enjoyed today's haul video. Let me know what you guys think. Are you ready for the big sales? Oh my god, next month will be even better. I can just imagine the sales that are about to drop. So there will definitely be more hauls. I'll go do some more shoppy. The Harrods sale is happening next month and they'll move. I did mention that in my previous vlog video. Their big sale is happening in Westfield, so they'll bring all the stock to Westfield and they'll have their huge summer sale there. So I'm excited for that one. Let me know what you guys want to see next. I know you want to see more shoppy, I just know it, but let me know in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to check out the description box, everything is linked. Don't forget to check out ITALO if you want to pick up some blingy, beautiful jewelry from them. Thank you so much for watching again, and I'll see you very soon in my next one. Bye guys.